Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to recover Gmail account without recovery email. First of all, click on Google, tap on apps information. Now click on permissions, click on location. Now click on Google Chrome browser. Click on apps information. Click on permissions. Click on location. Now open Google Play Store. Update your web browser midway. Open browser. Scroll down. Tap on Start Browsing. Now type on google.com. Now click on Sign In. Type on recovery email address. Tap on Next. Tap on Forgot Password. Click on Try Another. Is no recovery option. Click on Try Again. Google account has been locked. Now open your phone settings. Scroll down. Click on Google. Now click on three dot icon. Click on Help. Now type another. Your account is disabled. Scroll down. Click on Here. Click on Support Google.com. Click on Google account. Scroll down. Click on How to recover your Google account or email. Click on Account Recover Pack. Type on Recovery Gmail address. Now click on Next. You can update your password new if you forget it. Now click on Update Password. Create a strong password. First type on new password. Now type on confirm password. Actually recover Gmail account successful. Friends, like this video, subscribe my channel.